Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can view and manage all your public information. Now, once your profile page loads, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll notice an option that says Edit Profile. Click on this button to access your profile customization settings. This is where Steam allows you to modify various aspects of how your profile appears to other users, including privacy controls that determine what information is visible to the public and to your friends. After clicking Edit Profile, a new page will open with several customization options. On the left side of this page, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Look for and click on Privacy Settings. This section is specifically designed to give you control over who can see different parts of your Steam profile, from your game library to your friends list and activity feed. Within the Privacy Settings page, you'll find a list of different privacy options for various profile elements. Look for the one labeled Friend List. Right beside this option, you'll see a drop-down menu that controls who can view your friends list. Click on this drop-down to reveal your privacy choices. Here you have two main options to consider. If you select Private, your friends list will be completely hidden from everyone, meaning no one will be able to see who you're friends with on Steam. On the other hand, if you choose Friends Only, your friends list will be visible exclusively to people you've added as friends, while remaining hidden from the general public. Choose the privacy level that best suits your preferences. If you want complete privacy and don't want anyone seeing your friends list at all, go with Private. If you're comfortable with your friends seeing this information but want to keep it hidden from strangers, then Friends Only is the better choice. Once you've made your selection, Steam will automatically save your changes and your friends list privacy settings will be updated immediately. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Steam friends list privacy settings to control who can view your connections on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.